10 things you need to know in sewing as a beginner. I'm Tunku Adhikari. I'm currently Director of ITA Studio of Fashion Arts in Melbourne. I designed this course based on all the interaction and all the questions that I had in a classroom. With over 20 years of experience in a classroom environment, face to face, with so many first years who were transitioning into second year, I came up with this course based on all that knowledge that I believe you need to transition correctly into the second year. This course is divided into 9 sections. Each section you will learn a new sewing technique. This course is ideally suited for a first year student who is transitioning into the second year of fashion school. Some of the techniques that I teach you, I have learned over 20 years. 20 years of experience working in the industry and learning techniques from old masters, old master tailors, old master seamstresses. I hope to share all that knowledge with you. If you are willing to put in the work, I promise you, you will learn to sew better. Join me in the classroom and let's take this journey together.